Hey guys, today I have an SOS for you. I'm getting a new channel, and my sister is making a new intro for me. Amazing, right? Mind blowing. So I'm gonna wait for that to happen, and I'm waiting for. I'm making this video to tell you I have found my Rubik's Cube now, and I'm making a new channel. And in the comments below, tell me what the new channel should be. Tell me what the name should be. It has to involve something about gaming and Rubik's Cubes, okay? I'm gonna take videos of gaming. I'm also gonna have a face cam maybe. It's going to be bad quality though. Sorry about that, but I will make gaming videos and Rubik's Cube videos. I will teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And I will also, I'm gonna show my best time for solving the Rubik's Cube. So that is the best thing about right now. So in the comments below, tell me what the name should be of my Rubik's Cube video, of my new channel in the comments below, and tell me if I'll pick the best name. So I was thinking about something about. I was thinking of Rubik's Cube and gaming, or gaming and Rubik's Cubes, or something like that, but that turned out, but I don't really like that anymore. So I'm asking you guys to tell me if I should, what the name should be. And I get my own channel, my own videos, and I get my own money. So, let's go! Peace out. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.